In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq for research. By the end, you'll know how to set up a dedicated research page, bring a PDF into your notes, and work with it efficiently so your sources and thoughts stay organized in one place. Start by opening Logseq on your device. When it loads, you'll land on the journal, which is Logseq's daily note. This is a perfect starting point because anything you add here can quickly branch into its own page without breaking your focus. In the journal, type a pair of double brackets, then type the title of your research topic inside those brackets. For example, you might enter something like Climate Policy Literature Review using your own topic. As soon as you confirm that link, Logseq creates a new page with that title and takes you there. This is more than just a blank page. That bracketed link becomes a reusable reference across your notes, which means anywhere you mention that title later, you'll automatically get a backlink to this page. It's a simple habit that keeps your research networked and easy to navigate. With your research page open, it's time to add your source. Type the / to open the command menu, then choose Upload an Asset. Select your PDF from your computer. Logseq will add the file to your graph's assets and place a link to it on the page. Give it a moment if the file is large. Using clear file names helps you find things faster later, especially if you work with multiple versions. Click the PDF link on the page to open it. You'll see the viewer right inside Logseq, which means you can read, scroll, and interact without switching apps. From here, you can copy text directly from the document and paste it into your notes on the same page. When you paste, it's normal for academic PDFs to bring in odd line breaks. Take a moment to tidy the text so it's readable. You can add your own commentary directly beneath the quote so your interpretation stays attached to the source. You can also highlight passages in the PDF viewer. Highlights are great for marking key claims, definitions, or data points you want to revisit. As you read, think of highlights as breadcrumbs that help you jump back to the most important sections quickly. Keeping your copied excerpts and highlights near each other on the page makes synthesis much easier later. That's the core workflow. Open Logseq, create your research page with double brackets, upload your PDF via the / command, then read, copy, and highlight right inside your notes. Keep using that flow for each source, and your research will stay structured, searchable, and connected.